together good. One finish timing. Phyllis, you can see that port blade is a little, oh, that one was not, I was going to say it was a little late, but you proved me wrong. Good, good. On the power, it looks like timing is better together. Yeah, direct. On the warm-up, Catherine was leading Phyllis at the square up in the direct in, and now on these power strokes on the way back, Phyllis is leading you in sometimes. A good focus. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Left hand, left hand. Remember to keep our handles together on the recovery capture. Catherine, just remember to bring your right hand up to your left hand. Keep them together on the recovery. Keep that boat off of your port side.